Good morning from the Philippines. So I wanted to do a quick review of a couple of guitar straps that I recently bought by a company I just discovered called Anthology gear. I was very excited to find that they're in my former hometown of Portland, Oregon. Actually, they're right outside of Portland. And they make one of the nicest leather guitar straps that exists. Maybe it is the nicest, although I certainly haven't tried every one, but I've tried a couple of other high-end ones. I started out, after hearing about them, getting their simplest strap. This is called the reticent. I'm gonna pull this off quickly. Try not to destroy the guitar. And show this. It's a simple design. It has their logo at the top. The leather is not distressed, but it's colored in a way that instead of being a jet black, it's like a dark gray. It's like the color has been slightly distressed. The flip side is it's really high quality leather as well. It's black. One of the things I like about the strap, besides the very soft, beautiful leather, is that you can get it very short. I like to wear I like my straps short, and this will go a lot shorter than some straps that I've owned in the past. I don't have it as short as the strap will go. I could actually get it higher up on the body if I wanted, but it's pretty short, and it's the way I like it. You can get it long too. I think it's up to 55 inches in length, so you can get it pretty long if you're a bigger guy or you like to wear it lower on your body. They also make an extension if you really need it low or you're really tall. So this is the reticent. And when I say it's the least expensive one they make, that does not mean it's cheap. It's still expensive. It's just their least expensive strap. So after I got it and immediately fell in love with it, I decided to go to the next step. This strap is just unbelievably elegant. You can see there's like 3 layers and 3 different colors of leather, and there's a design all over this strap. There's some tooling here in the shape of a gecko, which is perfect for where I live. There's a little bit of riveting work. The reverse, just like with the reticent, is almost as beautiful. Very soft. The only negative about this is it made me realize that the reticent was not perfect, because this leather is unbelievable. It isn't just the design is nice and the colors are nice and it's creative and fun in that way. The leather is unbelievably soft and comfortable. It's certainly the nicest piece of leather on a strap that I've ever owned or probably ever seen. It's just, it's a butter smooth and soft leather. This is the kind of leather, I guess you could put leather protector on it. I don't even know if you need it. It is so high quality in terms of just the leather quality is 1 or 2 steps even higher than the reticent. So this is incredible. Now, this is more expensive. It's another, 50-60% more money than the reticent. So it's a real investment. I suspect that both these straps will last a lifetime, or at least they'll last the remainder of my lifetime. They're just really well made. The company does mostly straps. They actually make guitar bags as well, gig bags out of leather that are very high quality. But I just thought I would just show this, and I don't know that the video is going to do it justice, how beautiful this thing is. Let's put it on the guitar and quickly Again, I have it set up short for me. I thought the coloring went really well with the pick guard. I actually bought it thinking I'd put it on my acoustic guitar. I might still do that, but when I got it, I put it on this guitar and fell in love with the look of it on this guitar. So again, it's Anthology gear. I'll put a link on the video. They not only sell on their own website, they also sell on Amazon. That's been really great for me because I'm out of the United States and Amazon ships for free to me. So yes, I pay extra for an expensive strap, but at least I get free shipping from Amazon. So Anthology gear, just, you know, people sometimes think that little things like this are not important, and maybe it's not important to get an expensive strap. It is important to get a comfortable strap. It makes a difference. Some straps, I mean, everybody has different tastes, but I find some of the skinny, plasticky straps are just, you know, hurt my back, and you know, I'm at an age where hurting my back is not what I need. So comfort is important there. So anyway, you might check out this company, Anthology Gear.